Hello everyone, this is the final video of creating our own chatbot called Panda AI. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to the platform called OpenAI, and I will at first go to openai.com, and then we will have to log in to this portal. I will just go to API login. Okay, just going to the footer, and then I will have to log into this portal, and then I will go to API. And then here I have to go to API keys, but before generating the API key, you will have to complete your billing section. All right, so this is the billing section. I have to click on the gear icon or the settings icon here, and then I will have to click on billing, and then I can do a minimum research. I can simply click here, add to credit balance, and I can do a minimum research of $5. I have added my card over here. And once done, once you add $5 over here, then you just have to go to your profile. You have to go to dashboard, and then you have to go to API keys, and then you have to create a new API key. Just give a name, anything you like. And then once you click on the create button, you will be able to see the new key which have been generated here. So let us try creating a new key. So the key looks like something like this, okay? And then I will copy the key for the time being, and let us keep the screen open. Now I will go to our guide, and I will click on the last link of this series, and we have to do a couple of things to make this API live. At first, we have to initialize a PHP session. Then we have to handle the post request. Then we have to display the conversation in our HTML section. Then you will be getting the entire PHP code. And we have to add a JavaScript event listener to the chat form that triggers when the form is submitted. And then I will give you the complete code of the chatbot. You can simply copy all the codes and paste it on your IDE, and your chatbot will be ready within minutes. All right. So let us understand the code step by step. I will at first initialize a session. This session is required to store the conversation between the user and the chatbot, which means between the user and Panda AI. So at first I have opened the PHP tag, and then I have initialized or started the session. And here I am telling if we do not have any value in the session variable called conversion, in that case I will initialize an array, and here I will be giving prompt over here. Let us say your name is Panda, and you are studying in class 10. All right. So we have given the command to our AI. You can write a nice description or nice prompt for your Panda AI, and based on this prompt, your Panda AI will give the answer. Like if anyone asks him what is his age, he will be giving the answer in that way. If anyone asks him what is his name, he will be giving the name as Panda, something like that. Now, we will add this PHP code to handle the post request. So let us paste it over here. And then we will be displaying the conversion in our HTML. So if you need the complete code of PHP, simply copy it over here. At first, we have initialized the conversion. Then this is the code for handling the post request, and then we have the array where we will be storing all the conversion. Then we will also have to copy the JavaScript code for the event listener, which will trigger when the form is submitted. We will go down to this page, and towards the end of this page, we will be adding the JavaScript function. And here I have also written the complete code of this application or the chatbot. The last thing that we have to copy the secret key and simply replace the secret key to this key. Now, again, I will write hi, and whenever I am typing hi, I am getting the response in another page. But what I want is that whenever I write something here, I want the response immediately to be displayed here without reloading the page. This means that we have done some mistake in our JavaScript. The first thing which we can see here is that we have not written function in the function which we have created. And now let us ask what is your name, and even if I hit enter, I can see here, hello, as an artificial intelligence, I do not have a personal name, but you can simply refer to me as OpenAI. How can I assist you today? Let us go up, and here I have given some prompt to the AI, but the prompt is not working perfectly, which means that we have to modify the AI a little bit. And let us do one more thing. So I will go to the script and copy the entire script or the JavaScript so that we can make the video a bit shorter. And let us copy it and replace the previously written JavaScript. Though both the JavaScripts are the same, but I think we have omitted one line while trying to copy the codes in the previous lecture. But in order to identify that issue, we have to invest a little bit more time. So I am not willing to do it. And let us ask again, hi. And now I can see the message is being displayed over here. Okay.
Hello. Now, how can I assist you with your class 10 studies today?
And now I can see that, or the command that I'm giving it to Panda, Panda is immediately giving me a response in the English language in the form of text as well as in the form of voice. Now, to the system, I will tell that your name is Panda. If anyone asks you about yourself, tell her that you are Panda bot and you can help humans to sort out their problems. Now let us reload the page, and I will click on inspect and then go to application, and then I will clear all the cookies. Let us reload the page once again. I will type hi.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
What is your name?
My name is Panda. I am a bot designed to help humans with their problems. How can I assist you today?
Okay. So, do you know the PM of India?
As of my last update, the Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. If you have any more questions or need help with something else, feel free to ask.
So I will select the Hindi language and try to ask, who is the Finance Minister of India?
As of my last update, the Finance Minister of India is Nirmala Sitharaman. If there are any changes to this, my responses might not reflect it immediately. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
So I will now go to this page and then click on application and then again click on localhost. I will delete all the data from our localhost. I will reload the page, change it to Hindi. Hello Panda.
नमस्ते, मैं पैंडा हूँ, एक AI बॉट। मैं मानवों की समस्याओं को हल करने में मदद कर सकता हूँ। आपको कैसे सहायता कर सकता हूँ?
Okay, so this is the way with the help of which we can easily create one chatbot using OpenAI. And if you're thinking how to train your AI, you can just write the entire thing that you want to tell to your Panda in this command prompt. Okay, not command prompt, in this prompt. Your chatbot, you will understand each and every line, and before replying to the messages to the end users, your AI will read those prompts, and based on the prompts which you will be feeding to the Panda, he will give the new replies. Okay, so we have completed the entire series of creating your own chatbot using ChatGPT or OpenAI. And guys, it takes a lot of time and effort to create series like this. Kindly let me know your feedback about this series and also let me know what is the next big thing that you want to learn from me. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates.